Hi guys, it's me Daphne Torres, and in this video I'm going to be explaining how to make an at-home Starbucks iced chai tea latte with vanilla cold foam. Just to give you some background information, chai latte is usually milk with tea that originated from India 5,000 years ago. Chai was used for healing because it has a mixture of spices, which is why it has a blend of being both sweet and spicy. This is a drink that I usually get at Starbucks, but as we all know, there's a downfall in Starbucks that it is pretty expensive, especially if you're buying drinks on a daily. This is why I'm going to be teaching you how to make this drink at home to save money. You will go from spending $30 a week to just 15, and it will still taste just as good. Not only is it cheaper, but it is also very convenient for you to have it, just in case if you're craving it. It is also very easy to make, which means that it wouldn't be much of a hassle. It will help you to save time if you have a strict schedule, and you can make it for any visitors and friends. I usually prefer chai latte over coffee because I notice that when I drink coffee, I get very anxious because it has large amounts of caffeine. This is why I try to avoid it, because when I'm anxious, I notice that I cannot concentrate and I usually cannot sleep at night. Also, when I drink coffee, I notice that it makes my stomach hurt because I have a very bad digestive system. This is why, if you have any of these similar problems, I recommend you to drink the chai latte because I feel like it's a better, healthier option for you. Chai latte does have plenty of health benefits. According to Artful Tea and Mocha's Coffee, it boosts your heart health, promotes cellular health, it improves your digestion, it reduces inflammation, it relieves any muscle pain, it helps you to lose any weight, it's good for your skin, good for your teeth, and it gives you just the right amount of energy. Overall, this drink is very good if you're trying to improve your well-being. Now we're gonna go to the kitchen and I'm going to explain all of the materials. I'm going to teach you first how to do the iced chai tea latte. Then I'm going to teach you how to make the cold foam, which is a topping that goes on top of the cold beverage. I usually add this because of its creamy texture, which I love. Okay, so for the materials, you're going to need milk, ice, tassel concentrate, a cup for the iced chai latte. For the cold foam, you're going to need heavy whipping cream, a small cup, vanilla syrup, measuring spoons, a frother, and cinnamon. Okay, so first you want to use a tassel concentrate. You fill it all the way up to the first line. If you do not have measurement lines in your cup, that's okay because it equals to 1/3. So this is how it should look like. Now we're going to add the milk. The milk should be in equal amounts as the tassel. So we're going to add another 1/3. Now we're going to add the ice. You only want to add a few of them in order to leave a little bit of room for the cold foam. Okay, so now for the cold foam, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, now you're going to need 2 tablespoons of 2% milk, finally, you need to add 2 pumps of vanilla syrup. If you do not have a pump, then it will be 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup. Now you get the frother and mix for 30 seconds until you start seeing a thick consistency. Now you add the cold foam on top. I usually add cinnamon, but you could add any other spice that you like. This is the final result. Now that we're done, I hope that you enjoy your own drink. Remember that it may not be straight from Starbucks, but it will help you to save money, time, and improve your health. Thank you for watching.